Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Clark. I'm the founder and CEO of Clark College Consulting and Clark College Funding, the author of two wonderful college planning books. And over the last decade, I have helped and worked with over 1,200 students all throughout the United States with selecting, applying, and getting into their dream schools for less than they ever dreamed possible. And today I want to answer a wonderful question that I received last week. And it was, if I apply early, if I'm an early bird, if you will, do I have an advantage in admissions? And so the answer is yes, you typically do have an advantage in admissions. And the purpose of submitting an application to a college early is to indicate to the college that they're one of the top preferences for you, or you're a small group of colleges. Meaning that if the colleges appreciate knowing you are likely to enroll if you have been admitted. So with early action and early decision, the advantage is you hear sooner whether you've been accepted to your dream school or not. And there's often a significant admission advantage to applying early. So what are the three different types of plans that you can use? Well, the first one is called early action. And early action is often offered by colleges, allowing students to apply early and receive an admissions decision earlier than the regular decision date. And early action is typically non-binding, which is awesome. Meaning that if you are accepted, you do not have to attend. You can still apply to other colleges. You can apply to other colleges early if you'd like, and you are not obligated to attend. And more importantly, you can wait until you receive the financial aid award letter so you know how much it costs before committing to a college. Now, the second application that you can use is called Restrictive Early Action, or REA. And so that essentially means that you are restricted to applying to only one college early. So you can't use another early action or early decision application to any other colleges. So with REA, you may only submit one application. However, the admission decision, again, is non-binding, which is very, very important. So you're not obligated to enroll. So you can continue to apply to other schools using regular admission deadline dates. And again, you can wait until you get the financial aid award letters to all these schools before making a decision or committing to a school. Now, the last but not least is called early decision, and this is the most restrictive of all the early plans. Why? Because students may only submit one early decision application, and if you are admitted, you are committed to enroll at that college. So there are some advantages, right? Because if you are early decision or accepted to early decision, your chances of getting accepted go up tremendously, and I'll explain this in more detail. So for example, if we look at a school like Brown is a wonderful college, and their early decision acceptance rate is around 22% compared to the regular deadline acceptance rate of only 7%. Let's use another one. Let's use Dartmouth. Their early decision acceptance rate is 28%, and their regular decision acceptance rate is only 8%. Come to my blog, I'll put some more on there for you to take a look at. So if you know one of these colleges, one of these very prestigious colleges is your top choice, and you can afford to pay the full cost of college, or if you've done your homework and you've gone to their website and you put in your financial information and you have a pretty good idea how much you're going to get from these schools, and your mom and dad, and you know that you can afford this cost, then early decision is a good option. However, if you haven't done your homework, you don't know how much it's going to cost, you can't afford to pay the full cost of college, be very, very careful using early decision, because again, if you are accepted, you do have to attend, you are committed. So hopefully that helps and answers that question, guys. Applying early, there's some big advantages in terms of getting in, and also getting some of this work off your plate early in your senior year. So I do encourage you to definitely use early action. Think about using restricted early action and be very careful with early decision, but it can be a huge advantage to get into some of these top flight colleges. So do me a favor, guys, spread the word. Please share this video with other students, other families that are going through this process, because they might not be familiar with the different types of early applications and the differences and the advantages to those applications. Keep those questions coming, and let's make college an affordable reality for every family in the U.S. Bye-bye.